How to fix missing taskbar thumbnails in Windows. In this video I will show you few solutions to fix the problem. File Explorer is the application responsible for displaying the desktop, folders, and files in Windows. Sometimes, glitches in File Explorer can lead to missing taskbar thumbnails. Restarting it often resolves the issue. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, SFC and DISM are built-in utilities that can scan and repair corrupted system files which could be affecting the taskbar thumbnails. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Press enter and wait till the scan finishes. When done, run this set of commands, pressing enter each time. If that didn't work, uncheck the Always Show Icons, Never Thumbnails options. Click Apply, then OK. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, then, type updates in Windows search and press enter. Click pause the updates for 7 days. In Windows 11, you can pick a different time period. Creating a new user account can help you determine if the issue is related to specific user settings.